Alright guys, we are here today at 17402 North 19th Avenue. We're going to take a look at Unit 1 here. This is the one straight ahead of us. But we'll take a quick look around the property. So as you can see, there are other units available, which we actually have other tours up on our website as well. But we'll come up here, we'll take a step inside. As you can see, it does have 2 stories. So we'll come on inside. This is an end unit, so you get extra privacy, it's extra quiet, it's a great unit. So this is what you'll see from when you step on inside. As you can see right away, there's a massive kitchen. One thing I want to point out is this backsplash. I mean, that is really cool backsplash right there. And it carries all throughout the kitchen. It's a nice touch to it, and I like it. I'm sure you guys love it as well. And then over here, you could probably call this a dining area. You could really put whatever you'd like, a couch, you could put a, dining table, really anything you'd want. And then you can see the 2 big windows up front. So we were just standing right over there. So this is the view from the first floor out of the front of the unit. And then we'll have this sign in the window. So if you guys do decide to come by and take a tour, it has our number, our website, a lot of information on it. So that's just there for you guys as well. To get more information or any questions you have, we can answer those for you. So you can see all these appliances also will stay with the unit, so you don't need to replace anything. All of these will be here. And we'll step back this way into a laundry room, which is a nice touch. It does have a nice light up in here. Let me flip that switch for you. So I love how it's tucked away, but it's still very easy to access. And then again, those will stay with the unit. So we'll come through the hallway, and then this, you could call this maybe like a family room, a den of sorts, really whatever you'd like. But as you can see, there's a ton of space back here, just additional storage, really anything. Again, nice 2 big windows over here. So this is out of the side of the property. You get a nice tree, you get shade in the summertime, beautiful. Nice view of the sky, it's a beautiful day here today. Then we'll come back over here. And you actually have a nice half bathroom here. So it's just a nice touch. It's tucked away, hidden. But you close this door and you almost wouldn't even know it's there. So that's also another nice touch. Nice ceiling fan as well. And then as you can see, you have this massive double slider. We'll actually open this up because we do get not only this nice back patio area, again with these nice beautiful trees all around, and the light that you get as well, but you actually get a nice huge storage area. So both of these doors will open up, and then you'll have a huge storage closet out here out back. Keep all your supplies, really anything you'd like in there. Then you also have this storage one here on the left. That one's actually going to be where your water heater is. So there's probably not as much storage in there as there is on the one on the right, but still plenty of storage, plenty of space out here. You can have a beautiful barbecue area. Really anything you would like to do, you can do out here. And then those are also going to be your windows we'll take a look at from upstairs, but this is the back of the home. And then we will come back inside. So that's about it for the downstairs. So we'll come back through the kitchen, back to the front of the home, the front door right there. And we will take a step upstairs, and I'll see you guys up top. Okay, so here we are at the top of the staircase. Again, that is the front door you see down there. And then a huge window here to add a bunch of light. I can't really get the camera over there, but when you're standing on the stairs, you can see out, and it's actually a really nice view. And then another thing is this ceiling light right here, which you have a switch here and then a switch downstairs. You can't really see it on camera. The camera doesn't do it justice, but it is very bright. So at nighttime, it really lights up the staircase. You don't have to worry about, tripping and falling down, anything like that. So if you come up the stairs, this is kind of what you'll see. So as you can see, we got a huge storage area here. I love how it's built into the wall, so it's tucked away. It doesn't stick out. There's no need to put like a big cabinet or anything unless you wanted to, because it all tucks into the wall. So it just keeps open concept feel, there's more open space, all things like that. So we'll step in here. This is the first bedroom. So you can see again, a nice ceiling fan with the light on it. A lot of homes around this area don't actually come with ceiling fans, which is kind of amazing to me because how hot it gets in the summer. So that's just a nice additional touch to the unit. And then 2 huge doors of storage, which is a theme throughout all of these bedrooms, is a lot of closet space. And then another thing, this flooring here is fantastic. It carries all throughout the downstairs and all throughout upstairs. So that is a beautiful touch as well. So this is the corner. So you can see the true size of it. Again, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but it is a very good size room with also another really good view. You know, one of the themes of this home is views from almost every window. I mean, I would love to wake up and see this every morning. So we will come back. That's bedroom number 1. We'll step back this way, and this will be bedroom number 2. So this one I have the light turned on. The fan obviously I have it turned off. But you know, the light there, beautiful flooring all throughout. This is almost a copy of the bedroom we just looked at. So you know, the tucked away storage, the big window with a nice view. You get the tree here as well to keep some of the sun out during, you know, the summertime when it's super bright, but it still lets in a lot of light. So that's it's a good combination there of light, but a little bit of shade as well. You know, beautiful view. And then we will come back through here and step into the full guest or hall bathroom, I guess you could say. Beautiful vanity, nice shower. Really, really nice in here, and plenty spacious as well. I mean, I could easily step in there and not feel cramped at all. It's really open, a lot of space in there. And then we'll step back over here. So again, this is the staircase we came up. These are the 2 bedrooms that we just looked at behind us. And then we'll step this way into the master bedroom and bathroom. So this is the bathroom here. We're gonna save that for last. And we'll step into the bedroom. So again, ceiling fan, really, really nice size room. Again, all the flooring carrying it throughout. Also, this paint is really nice as well. It's a warm tone, but it still allows for a really open feel. So it's a nice custom paint we have in here. And we'll walk this way. Again, huge, huge closet over here. You know, both doors of space. You can see all the way down there. And then one of my favorite things is the view you get from the master bedroom. So, I mean, you can see almost everything. You can see a bunch of other units, trees, sunlight. It is amazing from up here. And then again, of course, you do have blinds on all of these windows throughout the home. And then we will step over back into the master bathroom, which is huge. You get a massive shower back there. And the touch that I like is it has the really low wall on it right there. So you don't really have to step over anything to get in and out. You know, so ease of access to the shower itself is really nice. And then you get the vanity. It is a beautiful, beautiful unit here. So that is about wrapping up the tour of this unit. If you guys have any questions, you can look at our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you for touring with me.